This is 9th standard entire Sanskrit. नवमः पाठ सुक्ति सुधा. सुक्ति मतलब सेइंग, सुधा मतलब नेक्टर. Nectar like good saying. See the first verse. Here is the importance of the knowledge. Na choraharyam na cha rajaharyam. Na choraharyam means knowledge cannot be stolen by thief. Na rajaharyam matlab it cannot be taken away by the king. Na bhatrubhajya matlab it cannot be divided among brothers. Na cha bharkari and it is not a burden. व्यय किते वर्धक. व्यय मतलब खर्च करने के बाद बढ़ता है. इट ऑलवेज इंक्रीजेज व्हेन इट इज स्पेंट. विद्या धनम सर्वधन प्रधानम. विद्या जो धन के समान है. नॉलेज ऑफ वेल्थ इज एक्सीलेंट अमंग ऑल द वेल्थ. तो सी द ट्रांसलेशन. नॉलेज कैन नॉट बी स्टोलन बाय अ थीफ. इट कैन नॉट बी टेकन अवे बाय द किंग. इट कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड अमंग ब्रदर्स. इट इज नॉट अ बर्डन. इट ऑलवेज इंक्रीजेज व्हेन इट इज स्पेंट. नॉलेज ऑफ वेल्थ इज एक्सीलेंट अमंग ऑल द वेल्थ. Now see the second one. Ayam nijah paroviti. Ayam मतलब this is mine. पर मतलब other. This is mine, that is yours. गणना means thinking. लघु चेष्टा मतलब narrow minded people. This is mine, that is yours. This is the thinking of narrow minded people. उदार चरिता नाम मतलब but for the broad minded people. वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम. वसुधा प्लस एव. वसुधा मतलब संपूर्ण पृथ्वी परिवार के समान होती है. But for the broad minded people, whole earth is like family. So this is mine, that is yours. This is the thinking of narrow-minded people, but for the broad-minded people, whole earth is like family. Now see the third one. परोपकाराय फलन्ति वृक्षा. परोपकार मतलब for the benefit of others, for the welfare of others. फलन्ति वृक्षा. वृक्षा मतलब trees bear fruit for the benefit of others. परोपकाराय बहन्ति नद्य. Rivers flow water for the benefit of others. परोपकाराय दुहन्ति गावः. Cows give milk for the benefit of others. परोपकारार्थम इदम शरीरम. And this body should be for the benefit of others, for the welfare of others. Now see the next one, fourth one. Here is the importance of the good company. Good company, that is very important. That changes our life. Good company. So we should always live in the good company, good people. Jangyam dhiyo harati. It removes the ignorance of the intellect. The company of the good people, Jangyam dhiyo harati, removes the ignorance of the intellect. Sinchat vachi satyam, sprinkle the speech with the truth. Mano nadisati, shows the right direction to mind. Papam abakaroti, removes the sin. Chittam prasadyat, pleases the mind. Dikshu tanoti kirtim, spread the fame in all directions. Satsangati kathay kim na karot punsam, tell me what does not do the company of the good people for the men. There are many benefits because of the good company. Now see the fifth one. Yatra naryastu pujyante. Narya plus tu pujyante ramante tatra devata. Gods rejoice there where all the women are worshipped. मतलब जिस घर में स्त्रियों का सम्मान होता है वहाँ पे सुख समृद्धि शांति रहती है. यत्र तास्तु न पूज्यन्ते सर्वास्त अफला क्रिया. All the actions become useless there where are they not worshipped. Now see the sixth verse. चातक त्रिचत. चातक बर्ड. त्रिचतुरान मतलब 3 और 4 ड्रॉप ऑफ. पयः मतलब वाटर. कन मतलब ड्रॉप. याचते मतलब बिग. जलधर्म मीन्स क्लाउड. पिपासया मीन्स आउट ऑफ थर्स्ट. चातक बर्ड बेक्स 3 और 4 ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द क्लाउड आउट ऑफ थर्स्ट. सो अपूर्यत. विश्व मतलब वर्ल्ड को. अंभसा मतलब बाई वाटर. ही ऑल्सो फिल्स अप द वर्ल्ड विथ वाटर. हंत हंत महताम उदारता. ओ क्लाउड इज ग्रेट एंड जनरस. महता मतलब महान है. उदारता मतलब जनरस है. Now see the seventh one. Yudhishthira said, te satam. Satam मतलब 100 है. Kauravas are 100. Vayam panch, we are 5. Swakiye vigrah. In the quarrel between us, Kauravas are 100 and we are 5. Parastu vigrah. पर मतलब other. विग्रह मतलब quarrel में, dispute में. Vayam panchadhikam satam. We are 105. Yudhishthira said, in the quarrel between us, Kauravas are 100 and we are 5. पर विग्रहे प्राप्ते, but in the quarrel with others we are 105. Now see the eighth one. पठक. पाठक. पठक means reader. पाठक मतलब teacher. अन्य शास्त्रवाचका. and other who teach the sciences. Science मतलब शास्त्र, वेद, उपनिषद. सर्वे व्यसनो गया. all should be considered obsessed. यह क्रियावान स पंडित, but who perform the action should be known as a scholar. Means who does not practice in their life. We read so many books, so many scriptures, but the good thoughts we do not practice in our life, that knowledge is useless. But the person who implement in his life, that is also useful. So see the translation. Reader, teacher and other who teach the sciences should be considered obsessed, but who perform the action should be known as scholar.